Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the Arm & Hammer Advanced White Toothpaste. I have been using this toothpaste for a while now, and both my wife and myself absolutely love it. After using it for a while, I have noticed that my teeth look cleaner and whiter, and also my mouth feels cleaner and with a fresh smell. So that's my favorite thing about it, whiter teeth and fresh breath. I don't have to use a lot of toothpaste to get the job done, which makes the toothpaste last longer for me. Once I start brushing my teeth and it starts foaming up, it's the perfect amount to cover and get the job done in my entire mouth. The toothpaste is great in the value pack of 4, so if I run out, I always have some ready. And that is my point of view.